The NAD Plus Resurrection, Product Briefing, for Health Longevity NMN Pro Complete. The empty tank syndrome. Let's be straight with each other. That feeling that you're not the same anymore, that you're missing that spark of energy, or that your brain takes longer to kick into gear in the morning. It's not a factory defect. It's a fuel problem. In the world of advanced longevity, we know that most of the ailments we attribute to age are actually symptoms of a cellular energy bankruptcy. Your body runs on a molecule called NAD+. It is the igniter for your mitochondria and the fuel for your repair enzymes. The problem is that by the time you turn 40, your NAD+ levels have crashed by 50%. By age 60, you have barely 10% left. You are trying to run the software of your life on hardware that has no battery left. Today, we are going to break down why Pro Health Longevity's NMN Pro Complete isn't just another supplement, but the masterpiece to refill that tank, and how it can alleviate, control, and prevent the decline that most people accept as inevitable. What ailments are we actually targeting? When we talk about NMN, we aren't talking about curing an isolated disease. We're talking about repairing the base of the system. If the foundation is broken, everything else fails. 1. Brain fog and cognitive decline. Are you struggling to focus? Does it feel like your thoughts are thick? The brain is the body's largest consumer of NAD+. When levels drop, communication between your neurons slows down. NMN Pro Complete helps alleviate that brain fog by restoring the energy required for synapses. It's not magic, it's basic neurochemistry. More NAD+ means faster data transmission. 2. Chronic fatigue and exercise resistance. If you feel like you no longer recover from a workout, or that climbing stairs exhausts you, your mitochondria are failing. NMN acts directly on the cellular engine. By consuming this product, you are helping your body control and avoid muscle loss, sarcopenia, and improving your muscles' ability to generate energy without instant fatigue. 3. Joint pain and systemic inflammation. Many chronic pains stem from low-grade inflammation. Inflammaging. NAD+ is essential for sirtuins, which are the proteins that put out inflammatory fires in your body. Maintaining high NAD+ levels helps relieve joint discomfort by reducing oxidative stress in your tissues. Why Pro Complete and not generic NMN? This is where most people throw their money away. Buying cheap NMN from random sites is like putting water in your car's gas tank. At Human Code, we look for elite engineering, which is why we specifically recommend Pro Health Longevity. The stability problem. Generic NMN degrades with heat and light. By the time it reaches your bloodstream, it's often useless. Pro Health uses a manufacturing process that guarantees stability and purity. But the most important part is the name Complete. Methyl group management, the technical secret. When you take NMN, your body generates a byproduct called nicotinamide, which must be excreted. To do this, the body uses methyl groups. If you take a lot of NMN without support, you can deplete your methyl levels, leaving you feeling tired or depressed. NMN Pro Complete is a master formula because it already includes the necessary methyl donors. Like TMG, it's a closed-circuit system. It gives you the energy, but also takes care of the waste cleanup. It's the difference between an amateur and a professional. The vital importance of daily consumption. Why is it important to consume this product consistently? Because NAD+ is not stored. It is an immediate use molecule. Your body consumes it second by second to repair DNA damage by radiation, stress, and poor diet. If you stop supplying the precursor NMN, your body returns to its deficit state. Consuming NMN Pro Complete is like having a maintenance crew working on your DNA 24 hours a day. It helps prevent genetic damage from accumulating, which in the long run is the difference between aging with vitality or aging with dependency. Who is this product for? If you are over 30, under a lot of stress, practice high-performance sports, or simply want to keep your brain sharp for the coming decades, this supplement is the foundation of your stack. Without NAD+, your other supplements are working at half speed. Invest in your hardware. At the end of the day, your body is the only place you have to live. You can spend money on external things, or you can invest in the sovereignty of your own cells. Pro Health Longevity NMN Pro Complete is an investment in your future ability to think, move, and enjoy life. Don't wait for the engine to stop before looking for repairs. Start recharging your system today. I've left the direct link in the description, where you'll find the best price and a guarantee of authenticity for this specific product. Diagnostic question: which low energy symptom frustrates you the most in your daily life? Tell me in the comments. We analyze your experiences to refine these. Biological engineering protocols. Subscribe to human code. Optimize your fuel. Reclaim your vitality. The code is biological. The mastery is yours. Your age is a legal data point. Your vitality is a technical decision. Do not be a spectator to the decline of your own hardware.